In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create typing text animation PowerPoint tutorial. This is a simple way to make your presentations look more dynamic and professional. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint is open, go to the presentation where you want to add the typing effect. Next, navigate to the slide that contains the text you want to animate. Click on the text box to select it. Now go to the Animations tab at the top of the screen. From the animation options, select Appear. This will be the base animation for the typing effect. After that, click on Animation Pane. In the Animation pane, find the text animation you just added. Right-click on it and choose Effect Options. A new window will appear with additional settings. Look for the option called Animate Text. From the drop-down menu, select By Letter. This setting makes each letter appear one at a time, creating the typing effect. You can also adjust the delay timing to make the typing faster or slower. Once you're done, click OK. Now preview your slide and your text will appear like it's being typed on the screen. And that's it! You've successfully created a typing text animation in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful PowerPoint tutorials.